Hey everyone, Tom here from the Cloven team, coming in today with a very exciting update that we have. Let's get right into it here. This is our homepage here. For those who use Cloven, no, I'm not going to go too much in the homepage here, but what I will focus on is our new feature here. So along the top, you have, of course, your different modules, so contacts, your household insurance, all these different ones. And we now have a brand new module. It's called Import. Basically, this is inspiration from quite a few of our clients who have standard exports data sources that they know are relatively clean, relatively good, and they just want to get it in here. They don't want to do a lot of data manipulation to have to do it. And so the import module addresses exactly that, to take these kind of standard Excel templates or CSV templates that we know exist, or even other data forms like JSON, and take them, process them, and get them into Cloven, no problem, nice and easy for you. And so let's take a look at how that actually looks and is in reality. And so you can see here right now, we have the one, which is BlueSun. It's our first one. It's our most highly demanded one. We think a lot of our clients are going to appreciate it. But we also want to add out this list. So maybe that's a quick plug to say, hey, if you have a very specific data source, we're hearing Univeris a lot, we're hearing WellServe, we're hearing Index, we're in a lot of these different data sources. So if you have one, and you really want us to be able to build something like this for your data source, shoot us an email and we can address it. So I'll just click the BlueSun now. What this is going to be next is actually a how-to guide exactly of how you can extract your data from BlueSun. So it's not an instant sync. It instead is the place where you can go, extract it. This is like a 30-second video, so it's about 30 seconds to do. And then you get a CSV, and then it's one click to upload and get it into the system. So I've already done this, so I'm not going to show it now. And now all you need to do is basically upload the CSV. So I'm going to come in here. It's this one here, BlueSun Policy Extract Sample. Pop that in there, and then I'll hit submit. And now it's just thinking. So I'll pause it. Actually, I didn't even need to pause it. It's already complete, so that's great. And now if I go over into my contacts, as an example, I had these new clients come in. For example, I had these two here, Tom Hall Advisory Practice and 123 Ontario Limited. I come in, click Tom Hall Advisory Practice, all the information that was in there, date of birth, their age, their email, their phone number, it's all there. And of course, the policy that they had. And I can see that's the policy name. It's also the policy number. It was a health policy. I can see the premiums, the coverage, the insurer, all these things that are obviously very important and useful when tracking your clients. It's all here. It's all ready to go. All it was, like I said, about 30 seconds to download and then one click and it's all in here. And the good news is, this is just one client, but if you had a list of, I don't know, 500 clients, it would do the same thing. So we're really excited about this. Please let us know your feedback and thanks.